it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the classic what's in my bag tag. I remember back in the YouTube days, this was one of the tags that every girl just wanted to do, and we all watched it. We all got excited because we all want to know what's in your bag, what's in your bag. So today I'm going to let you know what's in my bag. Hope you guys do enjoy this fun tag. I thought since it's December, it's always fun to do a tag. It's always cash anyway. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. If you do enjoy this video, give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what item it is you can't live without. It's always in your bag. It literally lives there because you live off this item. Let me know down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
So my bag is pretty sizable. It is from Forever New. Alrighty, so starting off with what's in here. So I always have this little pouch. This is where I keep my camera, this camera in particular, and I use this as a pouch. I got this from Cotton On actually, and it was on sale. I got it for 100 bucks. So I got two of these. I've got a red one as well, but I cut the slings because there was no use for them. You know, I don't really wear colorful sling bags. If it's a sling bag, it's going to be like brown or tan or those kind of colors, but this was actually perfect because the inside is leather. It protects my camera, it keeps it safe, and it does not look awkward when I pull this out and take a camera out. Next is my wallet. I have this Joe Paquette wallet. It's a classic as well. A lot of people actually had it at work. It's just one of those very common ones. It's huge inside. I don't want to show my inside because my cards, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Okay, let me show you guys. But this is what's inside. Cards, license, Discount card, Woolies card, you know, the standard. I don't really pack this very well, so that's why I didn't want to show you guys. And a whole lot of business cards. I literally collect business cards, and if I need to call someone out that I've networked with before some time ago, I look in here and I find it and I call them up or email them and that kind of thing. Next up are these Lilette's feminine wipes. I actually use these quite often in summer, just because when you're out and you're feeling hot, whether it's your armpit or down there, you just want to wipe things and keep things dry all the time, keep things smelling good. This is really handy, and it literally just slips into my bag very easily. Next is a pack of tissues. Every girl needs a pack of tissues. Then I have my Good Stuff Be Natural hand cream. Love this stuff. Something I recently got from the Body Shop is this black musk. This is a fragrance mist and it smells amazing. I also got my mom the Japanese rose, or no, the British rose one, and my little sister one that was in, I think, a strawberry fragrance type of thing. But yeah, I really like how they smell. They're also very handy. They can fit in your bag anytime when you're feeling like you need or you forgot to spray at home, you know, and now you are somewhere and you're just like, let me just. So I've been traveling. I have my, what's my club card doing in my ID? I don't know. I have my ID with me and my club card in here, don't know why. So this is my old ID. I actually recently changed it to my new one, which is in my wallet, my new surname being Ujawe. I use this because I booked my flight with my old surname. Next thing is these sunnies. I got these at H&M. I am not, oh no, was it Cotton On? Ruby, so it's Cotton On. I'm not sure why they're not in their case, but they are in my bag right now. Then I always have some sort of lip gloss or lip something in my bag, always. This one is the Shea Moisture Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm. Wow, the name is long, but it is super moisturizing, and I always just like to have something, especially when I know I'm going to be traveling, I'm going to be driving around, or I'm going to be up and down, in and out of the house. I always need something that's moisturizing for my lips. So there's a side with a zip, and then there's the side without a zip. Okay, I'm going to start with the side with the zip, and I have my little mirror, which again, travel size. Love this. It's always handy. Then I have two hair ties in here with no grips, no clips on them. These are the safest, and I always use these. Oh, I recently received the new MAC mini collection, a couple of things from MAC, and part of that was this lip gloss called MAC Lip Gloss. I love this. It's super handy, and obviously it fits in everything. Plus it's not a clear, it's almost like a nudish kind of gloss, and I always wear it on top of lipstick and that kind of thing. Then I also have a mini version of the MAC Matte Whirl, which is that color. Oh yeah, I also have this lip therapy by Discam. I've got 2 of these, one at home, one always in my bag as well. Ooh, because I'm a mom, I always have extra breast pads, and I'm still breastfeeding. I'll still be breastfeeding for a while, so I always have 2 extra just in case. Then I've got a full-size version. Oh, let me show you the difference, because you might not have seen. The mini version is this small, okay, and then my normal MAC Lippy is like that. So these are the minis and this is the normal size. Then I've just got a 2 rand coin in here. I've got another business card. I got the Asara business card the other day. We were at the Asara Wine Estate in Stellenbosch and I needed the details of the hotel. Then I've got a spoolie because I'm a woman. And yeah, that's about it. Hey, what else is in here? More coins, just more coins. And bobby pins, more coins and bobby pins. So we've just emptied my bag. I hope you don't think I am a hoarder. I am a bit of a hoarder. I also hope you don't think I'm like one of those people who have everything in their bag. I have almost everything, but not everything, okay? Otherwise, I hope you did enjoy this video. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to tell me what's the one thing you can't live without that's in your bag. For me, it's my lip glosses. I just absolutely need to have something hydrating for my lips all the time, so it's got to be in my bag. It's got to be handy. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed. Mwah. Bye.